So you're a gamer and you feel like it's time you take that big step. That's right, I'm talking about that step into PC gaming, but you don't know where to start. You're not good with Reddit and text walls. You just want to learn how to build and you want it to be simple. Well, this is Technolo-G TV and simple is what we do. I'm going to give you the information you need and only the information you need to build your first gaming PC. I ain't even gonna hold this up no longer, man. Let's get into it. Technolo-G TV. So first things first, we gotta choose our parts. And we're gonna choose a processor today in 3 easy steps. Veteran PC builders, please resist the urge to jump in the comments and throw an information overload or a text wall down there. This video is not about showing how much I know or getting into every little detail. This is only what's necessary to start. The user can and will obtain granular knowledge as they go along. It doesn't have to come from this video. So just sit back and relax, veterans. And if you see some comments asking for help, just jump right in and help. But keep it simple and stay on topic. All right, back to serving this knowledge up. Step 1. Go to PCPartPicker.com and make an account. I'll put the link in the description. PCPartPicker will make it easier for you to pick your parts without making mistakes. The site will provide you with a template and also does like sanity checks on your parts to make sure they're compatible. Once you have your account, start a new build. Select the processor portion of the template to get started choosing your processor. Now on to step 2. Step 2 is probably your biggest step. You need to choose the brand for your processor. When choosing a brand for your processor, just try to use old school rules. What brand do you know? What brand do you trust? And what brand has good service and warranties? In the end, you have to choose a brand you feel good about. So when someone asks you for your specs, you feel confident telling them what brand you chose. So if on that note, you want to ask some friends so you can stay in the crew, go ahead. The fact of the matter is the processor brand doesn't really matter that much unless you're playing games on one of the lower or higher extremes. What I mean by that is unless you're playing 1080p with 3-digit frame rates or 4K with 3-digit frame rates, it really doesn't matter for you. But we'll get into that another time. What we should focus on right now is normal frame rates, 60 FPS the minimum to maybe 90 FPS the maximum. When choosing your brand, of course, you have to keep price in mind. What you're looking for here is a minimum of 8 cores to be safe. You can go 6 cores to shave a little off the budget, but you're running into an issue there in terms of longevity. We want to build this thing so we can keep it past the 10-year mark if we wanted to. When searching for that core count to price ratio, you'll run into what is called processor generation. You may not want to jump right into AMD's 9th generation if you can buy something in the 5th generation cheaper. This is where PCPartPicker is really going to shine for you because it'll show you all the units, where to get them, and what the prices are. So you can constantly kind of tweak your build to fit in your budget. And our last step is just research and confirmation. When you think you found the processor you want, run around YouTube a little bit and watch some gameplay with that processor. If you feel like it's doing what you needed to do, then confirm and just let that soak in. You gotta be decisive. Once you make a decision, just stick to it. You can always change it months or years down the line. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely don't forget to comment and let me know if this video helped you or if you have some questions on choosing a processor or just need a little help. I'm here for you, my G. That's how we doing this. So go ahead, jump into PCPartPicker right now so that you have your CPU chosen before our next video where we choose our motherboard, all right? Go ahead, have fun with that. And as always, be easy, my G.